This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return for DoorDash in Canada. First, you need to accurately track all your income. This includes your earnings from deliveries, any tips you receive, and any bonuses. It's crucial to maintain thorough records of these amounts throughout the year. This initial step ensures you have a clear picture of your total revenue before considering any deductions. Next, let's talk about maximizing your deductions. As a self-employed DoorDash driver, you can deduct many business-related expenses. Think about your vehicle expenses, including fuel, maintenance, and insurance. You can also deduct a portion of your cell phone bill and even home office expenses if you use a dedicated space for administrative tasks. Keeping good records here saves you money. Now, for the actual filing process. You'll report your DoorDash earnings as self-employment income on your personal tax return. The key form for this is Canada Revenue Agency Form T2125, Statement of Business or Professional Activities. This form helps you detail your income and expenses. Remember to file your complete tax return by the deadline, which is typically April 30th each year. Finally, let's consider GST/HST. If your total DoorDash revenue, combined with any other self-employment income, exceeds $30,000 in a 12-month period, you must register for a GST/HST account. Once registered, you'll need to collect and remit GST/HST on your delivery services. You'll also file separate GST/HST returns, either monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your reporting period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.